Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Just Got Talent. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel, my wonderful subscribers, my amazing YouTuber family. Guys, thanks so much for your lovely comment. Thanks for your support to this channel. I really appreciate you all. May God bless you all. Guys, today's video is all about the items I need to decorate my client's cake. Today is a birthday party. Yeah, so I bought some items. You know, every decoration have different items to decorate it. Yeah, so that's why we bakers, we always buy. So you're giving price to some clients. When the price, you look at them, you smile because they don't know that you spend money to buy this quality materials to decorate their cake. So I got these items to decorate a cake. Yeah, this is the gold happy birthday sticker. You just stick it on the cake. Look at it. It's very nice. This can give the cake a very beautiful classic look. Yeah, this one is the place where I will post the cake. This is the got this spray. This spray is very expensive. You know, it's a golden spray. This spray, if I tell you the price, you'll be surprised. So that's why if you want to make, if you're a baker, you make your price wisely. Don't do it to please people, because if you're not, they cannot pay, then there's no need. Yeah, because birthday is a special day for people, so you have to spend money to have a very nice birthday celebration. Look at it. This is really amazing spray. Yeah, and here we have some gold rose. Yeah, gold rose, and we need also to decorate. Yeah, I have I have also the black fondant. Yeah, I have, you know, I always buy 10 kilo, sometimes 5 kilo of fondant, but you only get it in white. Yeah, you don't have it in colors. If not, the colored one is always a kilo. Yeah, so I got the black fondant. Yeah, look at it. So I also got some golden balls, the edible balls. Look at it. The golden balls. Look at it. Very nice. And I also got some another special decoration. Look at it. This is the latest decoration item that is trending now. Yes. So this is it. I'm going to use to decorate the cake. Also, I have the main stand. This stand is a very nice stand. They have it in 2 colors. Yeah, they have it in 2 colors. I have some icy sugar. This one I need it to cover the cake. Yeah. So this cake stand is very special. Since I'm gonna make a decoration like a black cake, so I took this black color. Yeah, they have it in white and black. Look at it. It's very nice. I'm gonna fix it myself. Look at it. It's a cake stand. Yes. I'm gonna screw it. Yeah, look at it. It's in pieces. I'm gonna screw it and then screw it and fix it. Look at it. You have the screws here. Look at it. So these are the items I need to decorate my client's cake. Look at it. Look at the stand. Very beautiful stand. They have it in white and black. I've never seen the gold. Maybe when I see the gold, I will also go for the gold. Next time I go, I will buy maybe like the white one, because I need the white one too. Depends on the decoration of cake I would like to do next time. So look at this one is black. We are going to work on a black cake today. So that's it. So guys, if it makes sense to you, give me a thumbs up and leave your comment. If you're just passing by, you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more of my interesting video. Guys, don't forget to leave your comment below and tell me what you think about this video. and maybe I'm going to show you guys how I decorated the black cake for a lady. It's a Chef Glory. Her name is Chef Glory. She's a chef. There's a chef in France here, so I'm going to make a cake. It's a special day. I'm going to make a cake. Okay? Alright guys, bye-bye. See you. Have a nice weekend. Bye.